state to discard narrow-minded attitude and small viewpoint, which is creating differences in the society. Intellectuals share their thoughts on how Imphal can be developed into smart city in a mega public discussion organized by Impact TV and IMC. Economic blockade suspended along Trans-Asian Highway number 1. On the other hand, convoy of 24 Assam Rifles CO attacked by KSO strike supporters in Chandel. And FC Zalin Southern Hills defeat YOSC Kurai by 2-1 in the ongoing 59th CC Meet football tournament. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Thanshmam Sangeeta with top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Okram Iwobi Singh today appealed to the citizen of the state to discard narrow-minded attitude and small viewpoint, which is creating differences in the society. He was speaking during the 21st death anniversary of former Minister Moirangthem Ibotombi. The death anniversary observation was organized by Moirangthem Ibotombi Memorial Trust held at Memorial Trust Complex. Speaking during the observation, Chief Minister said, small incidents of violence have disturbed the peace in the state. Violence cannot be a solution for any problem. He also said people should rise from selfish aspiration and think about the welfare of the society. The message of peace advocated by late Moirangthem Ibotombi should be inculcated by each and every individual for a peaceful state. Chief Minister also said he will hold a meeting to decide whether the death anniversary of former Minister Moirangthem Ibotombi can be held as a state function in near future.
Chief Minister, Ibotombi Memorial Trust for
Hingsana Koyi Malem Sida Waroi Shinama Porapa Leroy Hibasi Pretty Punamakna Masi Hainaribani. Ahan Bada Koina Ina Apamadu Pangtokringi Mamanga. Masi Praja Singna Pambadugi Mayokta Woigadra Woiroidra Hibasi. Kanthamina Badarkar Woi. Piaba Magi Kanglok ki Wakan Kakta Magi Jatigi Magi Laikai Gi Aduga Magi Sigum Wakan Mayam Sing Asina. Ekoi Manipurda Lairiba Pona Maxing Ase Ekoi Santi Lehendabani Haibasi I Mayam Punamaki Mafamda I appeal Taujaning Bani.
Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam speaking at the observation expresses anguish over incidents of bund blockade, extortions at highways and the increasing cases of killings and murder. Gaikhangam said one must stop exploiting the weak. He said to bring peace in the state, one must start bringing peace from one's home first. People also paid floral tribute and a 2-minute silence as a tribute to late Moirangthem Ibotombi.
Akoy Manipurda leirib thodo ase ban blockade karikano puri akoy ira isa masen hatok naba amaga lutpa tonda karikana hai kari puri mathau na leiridi miram dam gimi kada to udana aduna traga ai ima ipabu isa isubu maru pangbu ira isa masen thengai na ribasibu karibu kanarige karibu sendong leirige nani ningwa thungdraga imung manungda
Impact TV and Imphal Municipal Corporation today organized a mega public discussion on Imphal Smart City at Hotel Imphal North AOC. The mega discussion was organized with the aim to know the opinion of different intellectuals over inclusion of Imphal as one of the 100 smart cities in the country. Impact News Editor-in-Chief Yumnam Rupachandra was the moderator, Mahut Director and Geet Kumar, Secretary R.K. Dinesh, IMC Chairman Aribam Nimai Sharma, Executive Officer N.J. Uttam, Ichel Express Editor Iringbam Arun, Professor Dr. C.H. Priyaranjan Singh, Chairman of Classic Group of Hotels Dr. T.H. Dhabli took part as delegates in the discussion. Representatives of senior citizens, clubs, organizations, human rights activists, women groups and media fraternity gave their opinions on how Imphal can be developed as a smart city. Mahut Director and Geet Kumar said IMC and Mahut are trying their best to make Imphal a smart city with inputs from the general public as well.
No, but the left na koi makal ki section ki meeting unazari discussion se koi left na yu ki nungdin ki nungdang ki naida na sangselli koi na tawri se asing ba praja ki pulse to kari no have to power ga madu loksan jaraga ekhoina karam mong translate tawsige habaduni se samna harabata mi gi model du nataba ekhoi sin kari karam toraga khoi praja singda kari ta mapan gi influence angandana khoi gi leiri bisida khoi gi kano si mangandana kari tawba yabage sina second stage ni madu ni derive tawna langna jaris.
The indefinite economic blockade called by civil society organizations of Sadar Hills along the Trans-Asian Highway No. 1 over the dilapidated condition of the road has been suspended. The indefinite economic blockade was suspended from Sunday 8 p.m. onwards. The suspension of economic blockade comes following a meeting with MLA Nim Jakib Gen and the contractor. During the meeting, the contractor gave assurance that work will be taken up at the earliest. However, civil society organizations have cautioned that they will launch severe agitation if quality work is not maintained. The 48-hour general strike called in Hill districts from midnight has severely affected normal life in Sadar Hills area. The general strike has been called by Cookie Students Organization against the assault of KSO Chandel District President Dongmang Haukip, chiefs of Kotal Kuntak and S. Lamphai villagers by 24 Assam Rifles personnel at Khuding Thawi on Saturday. All vehicular movement at National Highway No. 2 was stopped. General strike supporters were asking all vehicles to return back. In Kangpokpi, all schools, business establishments and government institutions were shut. General strike supporters burned tires on the road. Meanwhile, the 48-hour general strike called in Hill districts from midnight also affected normal life in Imphal More Road area like Palel, Holland 5, Technopal and More. General strike supporters pelted stones at the convoy of 24 Assam Rifles CO travelling from Technopal to Palel in the morning. The protesters prevented the Assam Rifle vehicles from travelling further. At Technopal, general strike supporters burned tires, piled wood and big stones blocking the road. The agitators also sat in the middle of the road supporting the general strike. IPAC in a press note stated that despite government's restrictions on Hausi, Tambola was held at Jingamukha How ground and police could not do anything against it. The release also said that the police were helpless because a top politician of Singjamai Kendra interfered with the police. IPAC therefore appealed to the Deputy Chief Minister to look into the matter. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization today threatened to take intense agitation if authorities concerned fail to fill the vacant post of Manipur State Minority Commission. The statement was made by President Fundre Mayum Abdullah Pathan during the 5th Foundation Day of Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization held at Manipur Press Club. He said the organization will try to provide help to the beneficiaries and live in peaceful coexistence with other communities. Mention may be made that Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization was formed in 7 December 2010 under the aegis of Manipur Minority Development Committee.
Manipur State Minority Commission gi minority miyang bi chawkhat thawrang yengsan binana ba idi mari lena ba thawk thawram sing yengsan na blei diba maning tam institute ase sahi ama hena chairperson amso member sing gi pham hanga laga mathau phajan id matpung phana tawhandana thamme mathau sungduk tawhandana thamme haiba yarab masi puna maga se ta sengna hauzik phawa paliba government asina masi thap koina athu matam dong thok phiba jam tangai phade karigumba masida government asina minority rights day hek pangthoi movers na ai minority commission na sila ko ala kanda masi handaki December Moina Moi Minority Rights Day Pangthor Kumatam MMW on Masida Masiga Chaminaba, Dongan Tongan Organization Undo, Lady Bat Chamin Organization Singa, Akan Makungjang Kayama, I could structure and the same Sarah Louisa.
The 9th anniversary of Loching Porel Chingsubam Akaba will be observed on 22nd January next year. Loching Porel Chingsubam Akaba Mana 2016 will be presented to Ngasik Pamyumjao Maite and Tomithang Kom, village chief of Ichum Kom Kairap. Addressing media persons at Milal office at Kanglapat, President Moirangthem Naukhumba Maitei said the function will be held at memorial site of Chingsubam Akaba at Wakha Laimaching in Imphal East, where people will offer floral tribute to the leader. He said a function will be held at Roopmahal Theatre, BT Road. The death anniversary will be jointly observed by Milal and Maitei National Front, where poetry competition for students, award distribution to class students who score high marks in Maitei Mayek in 2015, and a play Lambel Sigi Aroi Bada written by the leader will be staged.
Ozan Hone Biramba, Adumba, Taudangdi Saruk Amoina, Quena, Nasiki Mirona, Tungi Mironda, Mami Tada, Lehonaba, Kunai Sibu, Sakon Honabada, Landamisigi, Sadana Kudimak, Tung the Hogan Haru, Mahiri Kudimana, Mari Bak Ninga, Maramdam Nukshiba, Amadi Mama Lon, Amadi Masaki, Maipun Shija, Wakalan, this January the Makta, Mahiro Kayada, Sereng Sedana Bagi, Toram Yogeri, ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯩꯔꯦꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯩꯔꯦꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯀꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯜꯂꯛ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯨꯃꯟ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯊꯤꯡꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯅꯕ ꯃꯤꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯩ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯛꯂꯨꯛꯆꯔꯤ.
The third Winter Disabled Fair for Inclusive Society held in connection with International Day of Persons with Disabilities at Kaibol High School, Tera Bazar from 5th of this month concluded today. The fair was organized by Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur. Lai Mayum Amarendra Sharma, who has been recognized by Government of India for his contribution for the welfare of differently abled persons, was felicitated today at the concluding function. Certificates and financial assistance were also distributed to the participants who displayed their products at the fair. Felicitation ceremony cum Ningol Chakobo was held for Manipuri diaspora living in Myanmar. The event, organized by Mutua Museum and People's Awareness for National Advancement Pana at the house of Thokchom Thoiba at Uripok Samusang Uku. Manipuris living in Bangladesh, Assam, Tripura and Jiri were also felicitated at the event. Gifts were also presented to the Manipuri diaspora. Uripok Assembly Constituency MLA, dignitaries and various representatives of various organizations attended the function.
Manipuri Mapandagi, Awalewatagi, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Assam, Tripura, Joy Kunda, Kapasi, Pujan Daraga, Sumba, Mali Pitaka, Meti, Tayo, Mayami, Apupa, Foroma, Hai, Nasi, and Lote, Adana Sumba, Formasida, Equina, Manipura Salmoguna, Equini, my side, Puna, Sakomunaraga. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯃꯤꯟ ꯊꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Fire broke out at the administrative block of New Public Higher Secondary School, Khangabok, although no one was injured in the incident. Fire completely charred 5 lakh rupees, 3 computer sets, 2 laptops, CCTV camera, television, school uniforms and books kept in the library. A team of fire brigade tried to douse the fire, which broke out at 2:30 in the morning. It is suspected that electric short circuit may have caused the fire. Some persons sustained injury while trying to douse the fire. Sky Hospital and Manipur Heart Foundation, along with Foundation for Healthy Wangjing, organized a one-day free medical camp at Devi Manto, Wangjing. About 400 persons availed the medical help. Medicines were also distributed free of cost at the camp. Wanghai Mayum Lairak Apunba Committee in a press release informs that a public meeting was held by the locals of Wanghai Mayum Lairak last night in connection with the bomb blast which occurred on the 1st of December. The meeting resolved to shift the school from the present location in the session 2016-2017. Gold coin was presented to the lucky draw winner of the Hyundai customer. The event was held at Punya Hyundai showroom in Dulalan. Punya Hyundai manager R.K. Prem Kumar presented the gold coin to the lucky draw winner from the state, R. Jerome Moyon from Haigru Park Village, Chandel district. Moyon had brought Hyundai Accent from Punya Hyundai showroom on the 26th of December.
Hyundai Gold campaign da isan yaujabagi yam harobo phongdokpo oina mayamdasu Hyundai dagi pot gari mayam si lobinabasu campaign macha ama ai hapchari aduga khoi Hyundai side dagi aina thank you ma haining.
Now some sports news. FC Zalen Sadar Hills defeated YOSC Khurai by 2-1 in the ongoing 59th Sir Churachan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial Invitation Football Tournament at Mapal Kanchipong. FC Zalen player Patrick Kamai scored the first goal in 41st minute in the first half of the match. In the second half, Seko Hao Tuboy scored the second goal for the winning team in the 56th minute. YOSC player Workupai Kasung scored the solitary goal in the 75th minute. YOSC player Paimi Kasar, Malem Gangba, HA winner and FC Zalen player Seko Hao Tuboy were awarded yellow cards. Tomorrow, Klasa Kaino will take on Young Physics Union at 1:30 p.m. ASU Wanghai and Kripsa Narimthong won their respective matches in the 7th Ampha Senior Women's Football League for BM Singh Trophy. Goals from TH Purnima and T Nongsitombi helped ASU defeat YWC Langthabal by 2-0, while Kripsa trounced Naharoli Fathoran Club Okram Chuthik by 11-0 in another match. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Football Association at Kumalampang Artificial Turf Ground. Kripsa Narinthong will clash with Manipur Police Sports Club and ESU Wangkai will take on Naharol Yaifa Thaurang Club Okram Chuthek on the 9th of this month. EUSC Talo defeated SSCC Sector by 3-2, while CHYUC Chalo defeated Kamsa Kaibi by 5-0 in the Sector Trophy Lamlai Kendra Village-wise Men's Open 7-a-side football tournament. The tournament is organized by Social Sporting Club Sector with 20 teams participating. Ragailong Youth Club defeated Alpha Dimdailong by 3-1. CRYC Chingmarong defeated Sidem B by 3-1. Dimdailong Youth Club defeated KYC Kaiku by 2-1 and KKYU Kaisamthong defeated Namguilong by 6-2 in the third Palmaipu Kamaupi Memorial Zelarong 6-a-side men's football tournament today. The tournament is organized by Sombung Sidem Youth Club and 21 teams are taking part in the tourney. And in cricket, KAC Lambulen defeated Cyclone Thamibban by 40 runs in the second league match of the 13 Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament played today. In today's match, winning the toss, KAC Lambulen elected to bat first and took 145 runs at the loss of 8 wickets in the stipulated 30 overs. In reply, Cyclone Thamibban could manage 105 runs, only losing all the wickets in 27 overs. KAC Lambulen all-rounder Gomil Lung was adjudged man of the match. 10 teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association. Kraukam Nam Kaithel will play DSCO Kwa Kaithel tomorrow. And in Kabaddi, ALUC Khurai Angomlekai trounced LYUC by 37 points to 21 in the first men's league match of the 42nd State Junior Boys and Girls Kabaddi Championship. In another match, ALUC Khurai Angomlekai thrashed YSCA Naurem Chapro 58-28. The championship is organized by Manipur Kabaddi Association at KSWC Khurai Thongamlekai. That's all we have in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister appeals to citizens of the state to discard narrow-minded attitude and small viewpoint, which is creating differences in the society. Intellectuals share their thoughts on how Imphal can be developed into smart city in a mega public discussion organized by Impact TV and IMC. Economic blockade suspended along Trans-Asian Highway No. 1. On the other hand, convoy of 24 Assam Rifles CO attacked by KSO strike supporters in Chandel district. And FC Zalin Sadar Hills defeat YOSC Khurai by 2-1 in the ongoing 59cc meet.